All right, let's check on that first alert weather with the chief because we've got a first alert weather day ahead for us tomorrow. Scott, time out for us what we're looking ahead to the storms.
Yeah, and as we go through tonight, tonight's the night to get outside for you as you're going to be maybe planning your Valentine's evening. The winds are dying down, still a bit breezy out there for you. Temperatures in the low 60s to the upper 50s on the way. So mild for tonight. Down to 47 degrees, but tomorrow, first alert weather day, we're at 77 tomorrow. I think late in the day, we start to see those showers and storms developing. So the next 2 days, you saw 77 degrees tomorrow, but the reason there's the potential of severe storms, look at Thursday's high temperature, 47 degrees. So big changes on the way. Storm chances around 40% going into tomorrow evening. Some of the storms could reach severe limits, and then much colder on Thursday. So we want to alert you to that fact right now so you can plan ahead. And as you take a look as we go through the first alert futurecast into the morning hours, we start to see some cloud cover increasing into the afternoon. By 2 to 3 o'clock, we start to see some isolated storms developing. By about 5 to 6 on the west sides of the Metroplex, we might see a couple more of those really hold together. By 6 to then 7, that's when I'm thinking we could see more of a line developing of these storms. By 8 to near 9 o'clock, moving through the east sides of North Texas and then really tapering off. I think the bigger severe threat's going to be in parts of Arkansas and stretching over into Louisiana. But we just want to alert you to that fact that there is the potential of those severe storms. So we have high confidence that's going to be happening with a strong cold front moving through Wednesday evening. Now, medium confidence of the cap. Is it going to hold? We're going to have that lid on the atmosphere in place. If it stays strong, we might not see any storms at all. But we just want to give you that heads up in case we see that cap weaken. We could see some of those storms reach severe limits. And there is a slight risk of severe storms tomorrow. That does include most of the Metroplex. You notice the green area is that lowest level, the marginal risk of severe storms. Then it bumps up to level 2 from parts of Wise County, stretching down to Tarrant County, and then east of that through the remainder of the Metroplex and east sides of North Texas. So we could see some damaging wind gusts, maybe some larger hail. The tornado threat, it's very low, but I can't rule out the chance of maybe a quick spin up if we see some of these storms get going. But right now, as you take a look into tonight, still seeing that breezy night, southwest winds at 15, gusting up to 26. The wind advisory is over for us. We had that wind advisory through the majority of the day. We're sitting at 68 degrees. You already saw that sneak peek of your forecast for tonight. So we're seeing temperatures in the upper 60s to mid 60s to even the low 70s in some spots. So again, if you just missed it at the top of the newscast, here you go for tonight. We're down to 57 degrees by 11, 55 degrees by midnight. Overnight tonight into tomorrow, our temperatures cool their way down just a little bit. Thursday morning, upper 30s to the low 40s for you. Want to bring that out. So that's a cooler day for you going into Thursday. But this is what you need to pay attention to. It's going to feel like the 30s most of your day on Thursday, so have a coat. And extended forecast real quickly, showing you that by Friday morning we're at 29. If you don't like the cold air, don't worry. We're back to the 70s by Sunday.